Hey guys, I am DC Max
and Blaze Gamer
yeah,
is
best
here,
gamer,
guest starring.
and we are making crunchy slime
And we're gonna use
with some
glow-in-the-dark beads.
yeah. So first up, you put in glue and put Elmo's glue. Anyways,
Did you just say Elmo's glue?
yeah,
Elmer's.
and you put this in into a bowl.
Put this in.
Yep.
I already know what I'm gonna call my slime.
What is it?
Hawaiian Crunch.
Mine takes forever.
Alright. I got the baking soda in.
Keep mixing to make sure it dissolve first. And mine takes time to do it.
Bring your bowl over here.
Bring that over.
There you go. Perfecto!
Mine is all I did.
Science.
I did. Just bring it all up yet?
Not yet. When you try to mix, but it just doesn't work.
And when that thing dissolve, I just put in two I think that's the least of the set. And take all things bits out. And mix all that out. Make it all that thing out. So when that's all done, you put in two of these with a contact solution in.
So you just put.
No, first this and then that.
Do you fill the whole spoon?
So first this one go up to the rim and that one go up to the bit rim. So first this goes in, and then that, and then this.
No, I got the hiccups, guys.
And then it's all
Comedy.
But mine is all out.
That might help.
Let's take time. Oh, I think it's done. It's done.
Is that enough?
And yours.
A little more?
Yeah, a bit more.
I don't measure my.
Good enough. And then you put it in and
Mix.
And go real quick with this in. Fast you can. Go all the way up. Up more. Yep, and then put it in. And then mix it. And you make it combine together. See?
Oh, that's fast.
Yeah, it does. It go really fast pace. So I'm gonna put in a baking syrup in with one size 2. In.
Hold on, I need to get the extra stuff off.
Did it connect?
I got to do it. It's not only here.
So what are you gonna call your slime?
I don't know yet. When it's all done, then I have to mix it. Mine up because his takes time. But when it's equal to that, then you add more in, and you get 2 more in.
I'm only gonna add a little more of this in.
Alright, go ahead.
Did you do this yet or no?
Yeah, I did.
And he gotta put in more, and then that, and then this, and then that. Go quicker. This go a bit quick, and then mix.
Jeez.
The mine is all not soft yet.
Yes, it's creation. It's creation.
Mine is this out of the way. And then for me, It's in the cutter doing. Is it something about cutter solution?
It's not sticky.
Yes, it is. Alright. So, put that somewhere.
Now I can knead it.
It was your own hands.
Mhm.
Alright, then you put this in with this one in.
Ooh, this is nice. It's not as stretchy as I'd hope it was.
And then go real quick for this one.
And it can rip. I can feel it. I think I might need a little more contact solution. It's sticky.
And go ahead. And then put that in the bowl. And then,
But it works pretty fast.
and then mix it up.
Hey Dad. I'm calling my new slime Hawaiian Crunch. Perfect name. Fits it so well.
Whoa, make a look at this.
Whoa. Look at.
You have to get all the eggs off. Let's just turn off your hands.
Yep.
I'll try mine in a minute. I'll get this all off. Other sides. Mine's not taking this off.
Perfect.
Let's check.
And I think when you're done with it, I think you put the beads in,
Yeah, when it's all done.
and then you knead it,
Yeah,
and,
okay.
then it becomes crunchy.
Yeah.
It makes this sound. Okay, it's not sticky. I think I can put the beads in now.
Yeah, I think for that one, you're putting very, very slow.
Yeah, you just start off with a couple, and if you need more, you just add more.
Yeah.
It's that simple.
I think you might need some more contact solution.
Okay, can you put this for me? Because my hand's all messed up here.
You got it. You just gotta.
Can I put this in the... Hey, bit more. It's in here. Nice, buddy boy.
Alright, so I'm gonna grab a handful.
Thanks, AJ.
Welcome.
Just put it in the bowl and do it.
Yeah, try to put that in the bowl.
You got it.
Yeah, like that.
So put in the beads.
Is there remove that contact solution?
You
Okay,
can see the beads. What?
remove that. Flip now.
I'm gonna put these in the bowl.
Hold on,
I'm gonna get some more.
Oh,
I don't want to roll them all over the table.
look at. You can see one.
So mix all the contact solution in there. And this is how you make slime.
Beads.
Did it print more? What's that? Oh, I don't know. I didn't pay attention.
Dad,
Josh,
I got beads in
Look.
this slime.
hey, my slime packet coming off. It's coming off. And it's done. Mommy,
You need more of that stuff? You got a bunch in there.
it's
Can
done.
you get it out?
Get it out for me.
You need to roll it around in here a little bit more, Bo.
Then you can get it out and put on the thing. On my slime. Oh, I just my hands can do it.
Yeah, if you're gonna put it in there, do it in the bowls so it doesn't go all over the place.
My hands have
Try
more
not to
contact
get
with
that one in
here.
there.
It's not really becoming crunchy.
Huh?
It's not really being crunchy though.
Well, it's not gonna be crunchy.
It's just slime with beads in it.
It could be crunchy.
No, it's not.
And you keep adding more in. And you put Just like in the bowl and you do it. Alright, and then you add a beef in.
Or I could call this,
In the bowl and grab some hamster.
I'm gonna actually call this candy slime. Oh, it's crunchy!
Yes, it's crunchy. It's like I put a little bit in. But mine is pip coming out.
Yeah. There you go. Candy slime.
Same thing, candy slime.
You just need to add more beads so it looks like there's candy sticking out of it. Alright, change my mind, Dad. It's gonna be called candy slime because it looks like there's candy slime. Hey, I'm calling it candy slime. How about that not out here?
It was in your dog's mouth. That's the air. It's gonna be all fun and games.
Perfect.
Mine?
He's gone.
Right there.
Yours is
I got
really
food.
good.
I'm following you.
You should look.
Oh, careful. That's how it ended up. Where'd it go?
I'm gonna make a bubble.
Here.
You can't.
Stick it back in there.
Yes, I can. It's not that hard.
My it's funny. You keep it in my video.
Huh?
Is it okay
making a
I put you
video,
in
that's
my video? Alright. But my mom.
Well, that was fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
There's a couple more beads.
Dylan, you got more glue. Here, put it upside down. You can add more glue to it.
I'll put my left side.
Do we have containers?
Well, I gotta find some.
Well, there you guys have it. Candy slime.
Yeah, candy slime.
Nom, nom.
Make sure comment down below, like this video,
And we will-
comment down below.
And we will, if you want us to, we can make a tutorial video on how to make this.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Peace.